PSE&G is using a specialized heavy-lift helicopter called a Skycrane to construct 12 new 115-foot-high transmission towers. The towers are being constructed in the North Arlington Meadowlands as part of the Northeast Grid Electric Reliability Project. Pilots in the helicopter pick up individual tower sections and move them into position along the PSE&G right-of-way. Workers on the towers then secure each section and bolt it into place. The helicopter is also being used to first deconstruct the existing towers and carry the steel structures to a nearby designated area for eventual recycling.